You are wasting hours doing spreadsheets the hard way. Every time you reach for that mouse, you lose time. I'm giving you 20 easy shortcuts today that require zero technical skills, but will instantly cut your workload in half. Stick around for number 20. It's a hidden trick that practically builds your entire spreadsheet for you. Let's get into it. Number 1. The AutoSum. Stop typing math formulas. Click the empty box right below your numbers. Hold Alt and tap the equals key. Hit Enter. Done. Number 2. Instant filters. To sort a messy list, click any box inside your data. Hold Ctrl and Shift, then tap the letter L. Drop-down arrows instantly appear. Number 3. Jump around. Stop scrolling forever. Hold Ctrl and tap any arrow key to instantly jump to the very edge of your data. Number 4. Select a column. To highlight an entire column from top to bottom, hold Ctrl and press the spacebar. Number 5. Select a row. To highlight a row from left to right, hold Shift and press the spacebar. Number 6. Flash fill. To split apart names, type the first one how you want it, and press Enter. Now, hold Ctrl and tap the letter E. Excel fills out the rest automatically. Number 7. Today's date. Need to stamp today's date? Hold Ctrl and tap the semicolon key. Number 8. Current time. Need the exact time right now. Hold Ctrl and Shift together, and tap the colon key. Number 9. Instant money. Highlight plain numbers. Hold Ctrl and Shift, and tap the number 4 key to turn them into dollars. Number 10. Instant percentages. Highlight your decimals. Hold Ctrl and Shift, and tap the number 5 key. Number 11. Hide a column. Need to hide sensitive data quickly. Click any box in that column. Hold Ctrl, and tap the number 0. Number 12. Hide a row. Click inside it, hold Ctrl, and tap the number 9. Number 13. Add space. Select a row or column, hold Ctrl and Shift, and tap the plus key. A brand new blank space pops in. Number 14. 1. Second chart. Highlight your block of data, hold Alt and tap F1. A clean, professional chart appears instantly. Number 15. Format anything. Stop right-clicking. Select your box, hold Ctrl, and tap the number 1 to open the master formatting menu. Number 16. Type on a new line. Instead of hitting Enter to start a new line in the same box, hold Alt and press Enter. Number 17. Select everything. Click anywhere inside the text, hold Ctrl, and tap the letter A. Everything is highlighted. Number 18. Find and fix. Because we all make typos, hold Ctrl and tap the letter H. Type the wrong word on top, the right word on the bottom, and click Replace All. Number 19. The special paste. Copy your text, click your new box, hold Ctrl and Alt together, and tap the letter V. Choose values to drop the plain text without the weird background colors or formulas. We made it to number 20. This is the shortcut that turns boring data into a professional dashboard in exactly one step. Click anywhere in your raw data. Hold down Ctrl and tap the letter T. Hit Enter to confirm. In 1 second, you have a beautiful, fully functioning table ready to present. Now that you are moving fast in spreadsheets, let's optimize the rest of your workflow. Click the video on your screen right now to watch my full comparison of WPS Writer versus Microsoft Word, and find out which software is actually worth your time.